Ben?
Yes.
What are you doing?
I'm digging a hole. I'm digging a hole.
Oh,
yes.
You're digging a hole? Oh.
I'm digging a hole. Olivia, what are you doing?
I'm digging a hole.
No, you don't. You're not. No.
No?
No, you're digging a hole in the ground, not in me.
Oh.
No.
Oh, in the garden.
Sorry, Olivia. Sorry.
Okay.
No.
Oh. Ben!
Yes.
What are you doing?
Well, I'm planting seeds.
Planting seeds?
I'm planting seeds. I'm planting seeds. What are you doing?
I'm throwing seeds.
No, look, my hand.
No.
No, please,
Okay.
please, no. Olivia, no. Ah.
Ben, what are you doing?
Well, I am watering the plants.
You're watering the plants?
Yes, the plants in water, so I'm watering the plants. I'm watering the... No! You're watering the plants, not me!
Oh! How did you grow? What are you doing?
I'm harvesting the tomatoes.
Harvesting the tomatoes?
Yes, exactly.
Oh.
I'm harvesting the tomatoes. Oh, tomatoes. Oop. Olivia, what are you doing?
I'm juggling with the fruits. You...
No.
No.
We are harvesting the...
No.
Olivia.
Yes. What are you doing?
I'm picking apples.
Okay.
I'm
you're
picking apples.
Okay, so that I don't have the apples on my head. I can pick the apples now.
You don't need a Viking hat
Yes, I do.
to go apple picking.
No.
No, you don't.
Oh.
Now,
Yes.
move.
What are you doing?
Well, I'm mowing the grass.
You're
I'm mowing the
grass?
grass. Yes, I'm mowing the grass. It's important. I'm mowing. Olivia,
I'm cutting the grass.
are you cutting the grass with scissors?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't work.
No,
it doesn't work. Olivia, I have one last thing to do.
Okay.
Can I have the scissors,
No.
please? Scissors, please.
Yes.
Thank you.
Oh. You're cutting?
Yes, I am cutting the bushes.
You're cutting the bushes.
Yes, I'm cutting the bushes.
Give me the. Okay. Okay, I can do that too. Look.
No.
I'm cutting.
You're cutting paper?
Yeah, I'm cutting
okay.
paper.
Well, Olivia.
It's.
No,
No.
you're not cutting paper.
No.
You are not cutting my hair because I have
Oh,
no
oh.
hair. No, there's no hair.
beard, no.
No, don't cut my beard. Don't cut my no, don't cut my beard. Okay. No, don't cut my mustache.
Okay.
No. We are cutting the bushes.
Oh, the bushes.
Not the paper, not the beard, not the mustache. Okay.
Okay.
The bushes. We are gardening.
Oh, we're gardening.
Gardening.
Oh, you didn't say it. Gardening.
Now, let's look at what they are doing, okay?
Okay.
So, he is digging a hole.
He is digging a hole.
Excellent. She is planting seeds.
She is planting seeds.
He is watering the plants.
He is watering the plants.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want me to go get some water?
No,
okay.
no water.
He is watering the plants. Okay.
He is harvesting the tomatoes.
He is harvesting the tomatoes.
Now, they are picking apples.
They are picking apples.
Picking apples.
Okay.
And she is mowing the grass.
She is mowing the grass.
And he is cutting the bushes.
He is cutting the bushes.
Now, Olivia.
Yes.
He, she, he. Why? Why is this?
Oh, A girl. She.
For girls, hello. That's she. And for boys,
he.
he.
That's a girl. He.
Olivia, are you a boy or a girl?
I'm a girl.
Okay, I'm a boy.
I would say you, he. And me, it'd be a she.
Yes, exactly.
Oh.
Now, 1, 2.
2. They.
They. So we have he is digging a hole.
He's digging a hole.
She. Because it's
She.
planting seeds. And they are picking apples.
They are picking apples.
Okay. Now, Olivia, close your eyes.
Go eyes closed.
Okay. Now open your eyes. Aha. What is written here?
Oh. So it's a girl.
It's a girl. She. Okay.
She is planting seeds.
She's planting
Planting
seeds. 1, 2, 3.
Yay.
Yes.
Okay,
She is
okay.
planting seeds. Your turn.
Okay. Close your eyes on. Close your eyes too. Huh? Whoop. Yep. Okay. Open your eyes.
Okay. Oh, the verb is mowing. It's a girl. She. Okay. She is mowing. Your hair? No. She's mowing the grass.
The grass.
Is it good?
Yes.
Yes. Excellent. Okay.
Close my eyes.
Yes.
Close my eyes. Got my eyes closed.
Open your eyes.
Oh. They because
They-
they're 2.
yeah.
They are picking apples.
Apples?
Fruits.
Apples?
Well, it looks like apples.
Apples? Are you sure?
Yes.
Apples?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Apples?
Yes.
Yes. Apples. Bye.
Bye.